morning, beautiful, beautiful people. Today, it's a cloudy day actually. Great lighting though. It's got nice reflection. I am on my way over to none other than Jimmy Jazz to film the Fresh Selects segment. Got my eyeshadow to match the shoes today, same as the nails. See if you guys can guess what shoe I'm going to be talking about today. About to go get some coffee in me first though, because I am feeling a little tired, just a tad bit. So my hands are freezing. I'm gonna get off the phone now so I can put my hands in my pocket again. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning. Again, I'm awake this time. I finally got some coffee inside of me. I didn't realize like the size of coffee I ordered was gonna be like grande, venti. I mean not grande, mucho grande. Probably gonna be shaking after I finish this whole thing, but at least I'm awake. Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to ShadeTV. I'm here with Fresh Selects today, and we are going over none other than the Air Jordan 13 Starfish colorway. So we styled it with this amazing Starfish super dry colored hoodie. Feeling real cozy and comfy in this right now. Match that with some olive green pants. And I think it just makes that Starfish accented tones on the shoe really pop. Let me know what you guys think.
Look, I've been waiting too long, it shouldn't take a week. Put on your favorite dress, I see you got dancing feet. Party on a Sunday, drugs just a sleeper. Living for the moment, put it all on your visa. Mona Lisa, Bonet, Patron in the OJ. Drink to you KO, any are you okay? Good taste in music, many fresh and cold.
The Starfish Air Jordan 13s this morning. Nice white quilted leather overlays. That smooth white leather toe box. Nice Starfish on that midsole going down. Wrapping around on the heel. Beautiful cat eye emblem. Simple white laces. That Starfish on the tongue on that Jumpman logo as well.
Buy what you like, we don't browse right now. Run away and spend some time in the sky right now. I wish that I can get some time off. Steak and portobello with the wine. So cocaine when Steve was chasing Laura, baby. All I want is you. When Brock was chasing Nurse Joy, all I want is you. When Thea wanted Justine, all I want is you. When Helga wanted Arnold, baby, all I want is you. But they don't listen. They can't make you feel the same way that I do. They can't love you all the same way that I do. When the time is right, then you should make a move. Hope it ain't taboo. Hope it ain't taboo. With you apart right now. I need your heart right now. I feel the sparks right now. I need it all right now. We should just start right now. Look, cause I'm on the cloud right now.
Oh yeah, let me give you guys a good shot. That hologram without the sticker on it. It's beautiful. Quality tumbled leather that's quilted. Kind of reminds me of that Shattered Backboard colored effect. Kind of matches it to a T. Got more of that Starfish on the Jumpman logo. It's embroidered nicely on that tongue there. Jordan on the front. And nice suede underlays on the side panels there. And we're gonna cut the lights, so I'm gonna lose my lighting. Just need to walk around with this light, actually.
They tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. It's best if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is to shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus case. They sipping only 96. I can't do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes. This flow is so heavenly. Most of my friends and frenemies. They tryna bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets. They tryna catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, cause you got the lead. Count it up, all the brodies came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They been putting me on like I'm one of those. I can see what they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go. I don't think they get it, they don't understand. I'ma do it for my homies and my fans. They don't see the vision, they just see the band.
All right, so let me know what you guys think of this outfit that I'm wearing today. Think it goes well? Do you want me to do another styling video? How would you dress the Air Jordan 13 Starfish? Let me know in the comments below. That is a wrap. We got through this so quickly. And yeah, thanks to you, lovely.
It was a pleasure.
It wasn't on. This is the fly. It's massive. It's eating the dust. I can't even kill it now, and I have the chance. But look how big this thing is, guys. Oh my God, I could see the eyeballs. Blue, green. I didn't know flies ate dust. It's so big. It's so big. Ah, it's coming at me. It's coming at me. It's coming at me. Landed. I think it ate too much. Wait.
You came up here.
All right, Marissa, how did I do killing the fly today?
You failed successfully.
But was it not monstrous?
It was the most steroid taking. It was the most, not steroid taking, that doesn't make any sense. It may have taken steroids. That's how large the fly was, guys.
I think they may be shooting this fly up with steroids.
It is, or it's eating something. It's eating a lot of protein. It's going to Planet Fitness on a daily basis. It's big.
It's kind of, I guess. Flies for breakfast.
If that fly was a person, it would be Vin Rames.
Oh, that's the boys that have.
That would be it. And Baby Boy.
My hair. Do you think it's trying to eat my
Did it hit your hair? I don't think. I think you may have smacked him a couple times.
get landed?
Whatever you're wearing in there, would loved it. Why am I holding the mic like this?
I don't know, but it works.
Welcome to ShadeTV, ladies and gentlemen.
This is our host for today. Or forget, you can't hear my voice when I'm asking questions either. Hopefully you could hear me in this mic, guys. Maurice did a fire job today. Was this record time today, Maurice?
We want to thank the people by the people that this was record-breaking time. Thank you, people.
Could it be the coffee? Who knows? Who knows if it's the coffee? I have no idea.
Morning person. She says she's not a morning person, but so much energy today. Insane. I was like, wait, what? You're not a morning person? That's an understatement.
I try sometimes, guys. It could have been that Venti Panera coffee that I had this morning, but pretty stoked. We're done. On to the rest of the day.